Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the poem Abu Ben Adam. Abu Ben Adam is a poem written by Leigh Han. He was an English poet, writer, and an essayist. The poem is a parable which is a story. With a morale, it teaches us services to men is highest act of worship. The poem is set in the Middle East. Now let us discuss the summary of the poem. Abu Ben Adam is sleeping peacefully. He wakes up and sees an angel writing something in a book. The angel is writing the name of the people who love God. Abu inquires and is told that his name is not on the list. Abu requests the angel to put his name on the list of people who love their fellow men. The angel does so and vanishes. The next day, the angel reappears and shows Abu the name of people who have been blessed by God. Abu is pleasantly surprised to see that his name is at the top of the list. Now let us discuss the poem in details. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw, within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. In the first line of the poem, Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, Abu Ben was a victorious man who did good to everybody. Hence, the poet praises and blesses him, wishing that his tribe increases, which means that there should be more good people like him. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. He was sleeping soundly and dreaming peacefully one night when he suddenly woke and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. So Abu's room was lit by light of the moon. This image conveys the image of beauty and tranquility. In that moonlight, he saw an angel writing something in a book of made up of gold. The book of gold symbolizes the richness of people who loves God, because when you love God, your soul becomes rich. The presence of the angel had made the atmosphere rich, which is divine beauty, just like the beauty of the blooming lily flower. The poet uses the lily flower as a simile because a lily is a symbol of devotion and holiness. The words lily in bloom conveys the saintliness of angel, which was felt by Abu, since he too was a saintly person. Now let us move on to the next stanza. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, "What writest thou?" The vision raised his head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, "The names of those who love the Lord." Since Abu Ben Adam was a good man who always acted rightly, he had nothing to fear. He was at peace with himself. So without hesitation, he asked the presence in the room, that is the angel, "What writest thou?" Which means, what are you writing? The poet uses the word presence to convey the spiritual aspect of the angel. The angel was, after all, not a physical being, but an energy divine presence. The vision raised its head. Here, vision refers to the angel. The poet uses the word vision to convey that probably only Abu could see him because Abu was a good man. An angel wanted Abu to see him. Sweet accord means the sweet, gentle look of compliance. So the angel raised its head and gently replied to Abu, "I am writing the name of those people who love God." We move on to the next stanza. "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily said, still, and said, "I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men." So Abu asked the angel if his name was there in the list. The angel replied that it wasn't. At this, Abu became a little disappointed, but still he spoke politely in a soft, low, pleasant voice to the angel. He said, "In that case, I request you to please write down my name who loves his fellow humans." We move on to the next stanza. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. The angel complied with Abu's request. He wrote his name who loves his fellow men, and then he vanished. The next night the angel was back again, and this time as it came the rooms became so bright with the light that Abu was awakened by it. Great awakening light refers to the light of enlightenment. But what is the meaning of enlightenment here? It means to understand things or situation very closely. And showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, when Adam's name led all the rest. The angel showed Abu's another list of names. It was a list of names of people who God loves at its blessed. And lo, this is an expression of surprise. And Abu was surprised that his name was at the top of the list. So we can conclude that God loves those who love their fellow men. This is the message of the poem. We can convey our love for God and evolve into better people, best by helping and serving others. Thank you.